Hey, our friends here are gonna draw Ghost riding a bat.
Yeah, we hope you're gonna follow along. You ready to start?
Yes.
We're using Canson marker paper to draw on. That's because we're using our markers to draw and color with, but you don't have to use the same thing. You could use whatever you have, like crayons or even colored pencils. Let's first start with drawing our bat. We're gonna draw our bat's mouth in the middle of our paper. I'm gonna draw a smile, and then we can draw the mouth open. So we draw the bottom of the mouth. And then we're going to draw two diagonal lines for the teeth. Now let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle on the left and the same size circle on the right. Then we're going to draw smaller circles or ovals in the top left for the highlight. This makes the eyes shiny. Then we're going to color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. That part we sped up, so remember to pause the video for extra time. Okay, now let's draw our ghost. We're gonna draw the ghost arms coming around and hanging on to our little bat's cheeks. so that the ghost doesn't fly off when the bat's flying really fast. Then we're gonna draw the bottom of our bat's head, connecting in between the ghost arms. Yeah, and then we're gonna draw the top of our bat's head. We're gonna come around and then connect to the other arm. Now let's draw the ears for our bat. We're gonna draw a curve coming up, diagonal, on each side. And then we're gonna draw it curving back down and connecting into the head. And then let's add little details inside the ears. We're going to draw a little curve on each side. We're going to add even more curves once we color our bat ears, but let's leave it just like this. And let's draw the rest of our ghost. We're going to start here at the bottom of the arm. We're going to come up and connect to the ear. Oh, we could do the same thing on the side too. Then we're going to imagine that line coming through the ear, coming up for the ghost head, and then back down, and look, I'm connecting in the same place so that it looks like it's going behind the ear. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, now let's draw our ghost face. I'm going to draw another smile. And because our ghost is having so much fun riding on our bat, I'm going to draw the ghost eyes like this. You could change your ghost any way you want, though. You could draw a different funny face. There you go. Okay, now let's draw the rest of our bat. We're going to draw the letter U for the body. And then let's draw little feet on each side. And you can also draw a little line for the toes. Okay, now let's draw the wings. We're going to draw a curve coming out to the left and also matching coming out to the right. And then let's draw two more lines for our bat wings coming down from the ghost arm. Now let's connect the wings for our bat. We're going to draw little curves in between each of those lines and then connect into the body. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. Connect into the body. And we did it. We finished drawing our ghost and our bat, except we still need to
Color it.
Yes, this part will speed up, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Awesome, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our ghost riding a bat, and I love yours. It turned out so awesome.
Thank you.
You can pause the video to match your same coloring.
Or color it however you want.
Yeah, you could also add a background. You could draw more bats or even more ghosts. They look like buddies, don't they?
Yeah.
Also added hearts, and I turned mine into a girl ghost with little piggy tails.
I like that we colored our bats gray with brown wings.
Oh yeah, we kind of changed it instead of just coloring it black.
Yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a ghost riding a bat.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. Both of our drawings don't look exactly the same, but they both turn out awesome. That's because the most important thing,
To have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
practice. Remember to have fun and practice, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.